Hi, in this video I am showing you how to change margins in MS Word. So let's start it. Uh, if you need to adjust the space around your document's content, so this is very essential video. First of all, open your Word file and you can see here the margins are. So I am changing this margin. So I'm going to layout tab. So click on page layout and then select margin option. So click on it and you can see the margins are available in this tab. So if you want to click on narrow, so you can see the changes and the word file pages margins are narrow. And if you want to click on normal, so you can see the margins are normal. So if you want to custom margin, so click on it, then select the margins area from this tab, right and left both sides. So top, left, gutter and bottom right and gutter position. So select this, uh, adjust this number according to you and then click on OK. So this is the method of change your margin on your page, on your Word document. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.